I'm Werner Jansen. I am the founder of Jans Control. My daily job is I'm a consultant for customers who have trouble with their end product. So when there are troubles at the end product, I'm as a consultant will help them to find the defect of that end product. Next to that, we also train people. So for example, clean room cleaners who are active in clean rooms, we educate them how to clean a clean room. So you're now standing in a clean room environment. And here we train our trainees to, for example, clean a clean room. I'm wearing a clean room suit, so for the record, normally I would wear a beard mask as well, but that was not convenient for the interview, so I didn't do that. But there's a clean room suit, and the clean room suit is necessary to keep all the particles out of the clean room as well as the microorganisms. So there are no countries where there are no clean rooms anymore. Every country in the world has a clean room. And they are divided in the three industries. So high-tech industry, you typically see them in the Asian part of the world. So Japan, China, Taiwan, etc. The pharmaceuticals are oriented in Europe as well, in the Western Europe. But also in India is a very upcoming market. And when you look at healthcare clean rooms, you can look at the Netherlands, Western Europe, but also Switzerland as well. The biggest challenges in the industry are personnel problems. So every industry in the Netherlands is looking for personnel. Typically, also in the cleaning industry, there are not enough people to clean those clean rooms. And it's a very difficult environment to clean. And so you have to adhere to all kinds of regulations like this suit. You are working in a 90 degrees Celsius environment and you're cleaning the ceiling, so it's very hard, it's very difficult. You have to work slow. There are a lot of things you cannot do in a clean room environment, so it's completely different from the regular cleaning business. There are three industries in which are clean room environments compatible. So that is the high-tech industry, pharmaceutical industry and the healthcare industry, and also a bit the food industry. They are upcoming, but those three first, they are very active in clean room environments. Particles typically are dust particles, for example, but also particles we shed as a human. The human is the most contaminating factor in a clean room environment, and they shed about 80% of the particles we find in a clean room environment. So ISO classes are rated in 1 to 9. So you have ISO class 1 and ISO class 9. ISO class 1 is the most clean and ISO class 9 is the less clean room. So if you adhere and you say, if your customer says my product has to be made in an ISO class 6 clean room, then you have to adhere to the ISO class 6 clean room requirements. So typically you measure that with airborne validation. But if you look at the end product, the customer decides to which level you have to do. So, for example, ASML works with grades, grade 1 until 5. And the grade 1 till 5 says something about the cleanliness of the end product of ASML. So all these suppliers who are delivering products to ASML have to adhere to those grades. Very difficult, because every supplier is struggling with grade 1 to 4. What exactly do they mean with that? If you look at Thermo Fisher, they work with levels. So every customer has their own specifications, requirements, which has to adhere to the end product, which makes it very difficult as well. If you look at innovations in clean rooms, and especially about cleaning, there's not a lot going on. So it's very basic and very typical. It's translated from the regular cleaning to the clean room environment. So the MOP systems you also see in a regular environment, but they are adapted to the clean room environment. So you want to clear out, if you clean a clean room environment, you want to clear out all variables. That's the end goal. Technology will help with clean room cleaning because, well, for example, if you look at ASML, we talked about it before, they have 100,000 square meters of flooring. If you have to do that manually, it's a big challenge. Even stronger, it's not done because it's too much. So there are too much flooring to be done, and ceiling as well, of course, and walls. So it would be better if it could be done automatically.